Now I know some of you guys are wondering why the bonnet is open, and because of the last video of the 1400, the update video. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching it. If you haven't yet, go check it out. I will link it up top. I said that I have a few mods left to install on the 1400, so I open up the engine bay, so I see what tools I need, and we're going to get to installing those mods now. Let me just pull the Bakkie into the garage. So as I mentioned in the previous video, I actually bought a few things for the 1400 a while back, and I'm going to be installing that today since I have the time. First thing is this aluminium battery tie down. I'll show you guys what the current one looks like now. Not very great. It actually moved around the other day, causing the one bracket to hit the alternator. And then secondly, we have these quick release battery terminals. So for those of you that remember, in a few videos back on the 1400, there was an issue where the battery was draining, so I had to constantly take off the positive and negative terminal on the battery every time I park it. And then lastly, we've done this on the Ford, but we're installing some bolt up or dress up kit bolts onto the engine bay of the 1400 to make it look that little bit more spicy. There's also some other news that I need to tell you about, but let's get to showing you what the current parts look like. Don't mind the tripod shadow, but getting into the engine bay, what I'm going to be replacing are these little bolts that hold in the fender, same as what I did on the Ford, and then those quick release terminals. Let's see if you guys can see. So yeah, so I'll be replacing these with the quick release terminals, and actually this positive terminal has already cracked, so it is time for that to be replaced. And then the last thing that we're doing is putting on a new battery tie down, because this one just looks disgusting and gross. I am going to start by taking off the battery tie down. That is 210 mils. And then we can get to taking off these battery terminals. Technically we only have to take off one side, but we have to take off both sides because we are replacing it. Just don't make that one fall, but tie down is off. And now do 13 mils for the battery terminals. Ingabu! Negative, positive. So as you see, this one's already like split in half, so it's a good time to replace it. I'm going to take the battery out to make it a bit easier to have more space. Okay, so I have the terminal on already. It's a bit tight. Okay, there we go. I just need to get the power cable off, so that will be 210 mils.
Biscuit, almost 600. So you can't buy, you can't spend 600 for me.
You see, but that's 600. That's where we are different, because me, if I spend 600, it won't be by alcohol, because that one you're gonna take tomorrow outside by the toilets. You're pissing 600. I can't. You see, the head there is finished. Everything. Fuel rail is off. For the Audi. Fuel rail is gone.
Oh, you finished?
No, I'm waiting for my neighbor so we can take the block apart.
Is it?
Yeah, he's coming from Nelspruit. I want to send it this week. That's why I'm waiting for him. Negative terminal is on with the new quick release. So yeah, I told you. One more turn and then it should be tight enough. Okay, So that is as easy as that. Let's just do the positive, and then that is the terminal sorted.
But this time you're gonna change both of them.
Yeah.
And this one.
I bought this almost a year ago.
Is it?
What's
Hey,
in it?
this small battery, too much power. This one.
Yeah, I know. This one is a good one. Yo, never disappoints me.
It's a good one. This one.
10. So positive. It's obviously same.
So you say
Same
next year,
process.
which month?
Okay guys, that is the terminal sorted. Next is the battery
Yeah. And you know my
tie down.
home.
Okay, for the battery tie down I've had to make some type of spacer, and then I'm going to see if I have some new nuts. Okay, that one is in. Now for the other side, it's as easy as clipping it in, shifting the battery. Take the 10mm again. Fastened down. I think that looks pretty sick. Next thing we're going to do is to take off all of these ugly screws and replace them with some beautiful dress up bolts, the same ones as that I have on the Ford Figo. You guys know that sometimes, majority of the times, it's not that you have to do major things to make a car look better. Even the smallest of mods can make a huge difference to the way something appears. So we'll do one by one so the fender doesn't shift. And yet again guys, these are all things you can do yourself to spruce up your engine bay. If I can get this one to turn. There we go, one side done. I think that looks a whole lot better. It's just that one that doesn't want to come out now, but we'll work around that. Guys, that is Softy. He's the one that's purchasing the 1400. So I just finished up with the small engine bay mods, putting on the new battery tie down, the quick release terminals, and then fitting these little fasteners on the side and yeah, where the bonnet latch is. The nice thing about this is it's stuff that you are able and capable of doing yourself without much tools. So I would suggest that you guys attempt this because it really spices up the engine bay quite a bit. Oh, I'm just realizing you guys probably couldn't see me in the previous piece, but yeah, that is another quick little install DIY. As you guys know, that is my favorite thing to do on the channel, is DIY. And making your car look a little bit more special than the ordinary car that is out there. Remember to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment if this is something that you would want to try yourself. If you do, let me know, then I can send you the links to the parts that I installed today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for commenting on the previous video of the update on the 1400. Obviously it's a Bakkie that I adore and would like to hopefully own again one day. And who knows, maybe I get something later on with a engine swap already performed. But remember to subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys shortly for another video. Cheers.
Memphis, man.